Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by verifying prerequisites and enabling the feature now. Open Settings, go to System, then Remote Desktop. Toggle it on. When prompted, confirm the PC wakes for connections and note the PC name. You will need it. Make sure your user account has a password and is added to Remote Desktop users. Once done, enable network-level authentication for security and optionally create a local firewall rule. These steps prevent simple connection failures later. Next, configure networking and firewall rules so connections can reach that PC. Open Windows Defender Firewall, allow remote desktop on private networks. Make a rule if needed. Assign a static local IP or reserve one via your router. This keeps port forwarding stable. If remote access is from the internet, add a TCP 3389 forward to that IP on your router and change the external port for security. Make sure your ISP permits inbound connections. Otherwise, use a VPN or remote gateway. Now test the connection and finish up. Open the remote desktop app on your client, enter the PC name or public IP and custom port if used, then connect using your Windows credentials. If the session fails, check the remote desktop service is running, confirm firewall rules and port forwarding, and ensure network-level authentication matches client capabilities. As one key tip, if direct connections fail, set up a VPN or use Microsoft Remote Desktop Gateway. This often resolves ISP or NAT-related blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.